Hello. I got these to try. Now I wasn't sure if we're going to go to the store today, but I'm not sure if we're going to Walmart. So I ordered these the other day. Now I'm gonna put the link below where I seen them. I've been subscribed to them for a while. They're called Reckless Eating, and it's funny what he says about this guy. So go watch them. Yeah. The knots for you. Yes, I know they're in a bag, like your treats. Go away. Stop, Bubba. Seriously. Anybody want him? He's been annoying. But you should see the reviews for this. Everyone's complaining because they're hot. Look at the fucking package. How stupid are people? Look at his face. How stupid are people? This means hot. How stupid are people? Up here, spicy. Before I ripped it, it says spicy. Look at him, spicy. How stupid are people? They're stupid, stupids. But yeah, these are cereal. But I don't like milk, so yeah. These are good. Oh my god, they're like the freaking ones from Taco Bell. These are freaking delicious. They must have went hella freaking white to say they're hot. Heat. Oh, there's the heat. These are good. They're all hot though. They got a little kick to them. They're good. They're a little spicy. They're really good. Yeah, they are spicy. Not to me. They're good. Oh yeah. There they go. That's good though. They're definitely different than the other Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I like them. Yum yum. Hit that with Red Bull. Yeah. Yeah. I can feel that in the back of my throat. Alright. Go check those out. Bye everyone. Bye Manda Nation. Kisses.